My name is Allan Chapnik. I've been practicing law since 1994. I handle serious motor vehicle accident claims and long-term disability claims. When a client's been hurt in a car accident, we do two things. First, we make sure that everything possible can be done to return them to health and to a normal life. Alongside that, we also make sure that they get all the compensation that's available to them. What most people think of as the old-fashioned lawsuit against the other driver. This work is done side by side to make sure that my clients get the best possible care. We coordinate with their insurance company to make sure that funding is available to provide physiotherapy, replacement limbs, wheelchairs, hospital beds, whatever it is they might need. At the same time, we investigate and collect the evidence necessary to prove that client's case in court. Now, very few cases actually end up in court, but they're evaluated and settlements are paid based on what we can prove. That investigation starts right away. We might send somebody out to the scene of the accident. We may collect video evidence from security cameras in the neighborhood of the accident. That swift action can be decisive in somebody's case. On the lawsuit part of it, it's important to know both the outcome, that is, how somebody has fared in the months and even years after the accident, what their expected future is going to look like. How are they going to recover? Will they be able to return to work? What they're going to lose by way of income. But also in a lawsuit, it's important to establish who's responsible for it. And that's where the early investigation comes in and can be critical. We've had cases over the years where a driver has, for example, knocked down a pedestrian and claimed the pedestrian effectively ran out into traffic. That is not fault-based, meaning even if you caused the accident, you're still entitled to a whole bevy of benefits that can make the difference between getting back to a normal life or close to it and having a very poor outcome. Now, accident benefits, in addition to rehab services and equipment, also includes an income replacement benefit for people who are generally in the workforce. Now, you don't have to be working at the time of the accident to be entitled to an income replacement benefit. It's sufficient if you worked, for example, 26 out of the last 52 weeks, or if you're receiving employment insurance. In either of those cases, or if you were, of course, actually working, you would be entitled to an income replacement benefit every week for as long as you can't do your own job, up to 2 years, and until 65 if you can't do any reasonably suitable job. And even after 65, there's a period of benefit entitlement, though on a different scale.